Okay, traders, yes, welcome to the weekend analysis. So it is another day and another time. So as usual, I'm going to share a quick market outlook on gold. So now this is gold spot, and this is analysis for the coming week. Now this will be from 18th of November to 22nd of November. So this is an overall projection, so make sure that you do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders. So this will be the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and for the purpose of this analysis, I'll be pointing out market structure in 1-hour time frame. And in this analysis, I include the wave counts, and also will be looking on the support and resistance, and also I'll be reading the candlestick patterns and also the candlestick structures like the pin bars and the like. So okay, let me go quickly. So I'm in a monthly time frame, and in monthly time frame, actually what we see here is, okay, let me go deeper here. So actually in monthly time frame, what we see is now the November candle has created a stronger bearish momentum. So if we look on the November candle, has created a stronger bearish momentum that we have never seen several months back. So this may indicate that now the bearish sentiment is building strongly at the current market price. This is very powerful, and at the same time now price has respected the upper channel. We see this trend line that was running all the way from the downside now to the left bottom. So actually you can find that now this trend line has got the other one which is running to the downside. So we expect in most cases price is going to respect this trend line to the downside, and this will be a fourth wave down here. So these are the key things to consider in monthly time frame, but the overall projection is bearish momentum is dominating at the current price direction. So let me straight go to weekly time frame and highlight those key things in weekly time frame. So one of the most basic thing to consider is now we see a stronger bearish week. Now we have a stronger bearish week, and this was projected in previous analysis whereby the overall projection we were looking for the sell direction, even though in our trades we have been trading some buys, but in most cases the overall projection was just looking to the downside. So now with this bearish momentum, there's a break of this trend line. We see it was respected several times now in the past, so it has been broken. So now in most cases we can expect the price to check this level before it continues to the downside until it touches this one. So we can expect for a retest of this broken trend, and so that is powerful in weekly time frame. And then quickly let me go to highlight key things in daily time frame. Let us see what are the key things in daily time frame. So yes, we see there are a lot of drawings and wave counts here in daily time. In daily time frame. Yes, so basically it was already pointed out about this trend line. It was broken and retested here, so that was beautiful. And actually I can talk of the wave counts at this time frame. So we see there's a beautiful count, and the fifth wave is expected to be completed here. So we had one, then the third wave, and the fifth wave was, now it is extended. So this is possible, and in this way we see clearly price is trending to the downside. So that is very powerful. So if price is trending to the downside and the fifth wave is completed, so the overall picture is we are going to look for a possible retest. So now in lower time frames, now we'll understand exactly what are we going to expect now in the coming week. But the overall picture in daily time frame, let's expect for a correction. Now we can say it is a correction now of this price trend to the downside. So let me quickly go to 4-hour time frame and see now what are the key things in a 4-hour time frame. Yes, so in 4-hour time frame, it is just now addition of the wave counts. Everything is clear. So we see one was here. Now in a higher degree, we had wave 1, then wave 2 to the upside, 3, then 4, final 5 to the downside, and also the 5th of the internal and the other lower degrees have been completed. So in most cases, we expected to see correction to the upside. So the current price move to the upside, it may be expected as the building structure of the correction, and we see now bullish momentum was at least being created here, and this current movement seems to be sideways, so it might be a correction of this, so we might be looking to the upside. So let us see the key things now in 1 hour time frame. As I said, I'm going to point out things in 1 hour time frame. So yes, this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see now the details of the current price move to the upside, whereby price has started with a possible 5-wave move to the upside, which was a clear trend to the upside. And also we can see this one is a sideways movement that is expected to be an ABC, and currently price is in completion of the 5th wave of wave C to the downside. So this is possible. So how are you going to trade now next week? So we can see now we are expecting for a possible slight push to the downside. This may be possible. So we are looking for a possible slight push to the downside, and then the price will continue to the upside in wave 3 or wave C. It may be wave 3 or wave C, but in most cases I expect this will be wave 3. So now we'll be looking for possible buys when the price is moving around 25.47. So we're looking for this level down here, around this region here, the box down here. So it's around this region, 25.47. So we'll be buying up to the levels now around this one. So it will be around 25.99. So it will be now around 25.99, this region here. So actually that's how we are going to trade next week. Now alternatively, because now this projection was done since Friday, it was now since Friday. Now for those who are in Telegram channel and for those who have joined our website, so you can see now there was a signal here updated on Friday. It was 7 a.m. It was on Friday, so it was by around 25.47. so this signal is active. If the signal is completed, so it means you are not going to trade it. We are only trading the active ones, and this was the buy limit. So this is the same thing as I'm highlighting here. So actually with the current formation, there's a possibility of price turning at 25.52. So price may turn slightly up here. So there's a possibility, and also it may turn right here. So what are we going to do if you see price is going to the upside and break above 25.68? When the price is above this level, 25.68 or 69, without touching this level down here, so we can just put instant buy order. But if price will come down here, so it will meet our orders. So you can put some area orders around 25.52, and also you can add some at 25.47. So that is possible, but the target will remain the same, even though we expect the price is going to move further to the upside. So make sure that you join Telegram channel and also register your account at www.asamforex.com so that you'll be able to see the signals when you visit your profile. So that's the overall projection for the coming week. Have a powerful weekend.